Right guys, I've cut the leather and put it in place. The leather I've made a template for. Let me show you. Now, nowhere on the internet will you find a template. I've had to make it myself. It's still a bit hit and miss whether it's good enough for me, but there you go. The leather is held in place by paper clips which go through and open up on the inside. Right, remember we've put the leather as low as we can so it's not interfering with these, and the next job is to persuade this to go inside the outer frame. Let's have a look, remembering to make sure that your spacing's right for fastening it. Right. There we go. That's in the right field. Now I'm not going to video the next bit because you're just going to watch me swearing and cussing. But once you've woven the banding inside here, that goes back inside our helmet. We put a drawstring through these tabs and that will be our liner. Getting these pins in, I'll let you have the fun of that yourself. It's very hard. It's small screwdriver. As the pin comes through, just peeling it sideways so it'll fit. Originally they had rivets on the back. Now you can normally tell a German helmet that's been played with by the lack of the rivets, because they are so hard to get on, people just don't do it. The 3 outer clips, I've made some. This one's a bit bent because it's been in a couple of helmets and took out. Ooh. But I'll show you another one, just bear with me 1 second. Somewhere that I can't find. Let's see if I can find a washer. Right, I've used large paper clips. The only downside to these is these bits are a little bit narrower than we'd like, but we can't have everything. I've put a washer, slide it all the way up to the head, right? Quite often I'll put a bit of super glue on there and put it up to the head, just under that rim, and then wait while that's set. When it's set, a little bit of fiberglass filler somewhere. There's one I haven't sanded. Blob of fiberglass filler and then just sand it to a dome shape, and that's that. And that basically, guys, is how I do my helmets. Another trick I do, if you remember, on most of these helmets I'm doing at the minute, because they're not particularly fancy ones, we can see through to the bottom here and it's a bit messy. What I do is search on the internet, find a nice photograph from the 1940s of a lady, print it out to about 4-inch square, thereabouts, and I stick it in there. So it makes it have that extra detail of there's a picture of his missus or a pin-up or whatever in the helmet. That'll help just camouflage that up a little bit, make it neater for us. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. I'm sorry this last one, you've missed me doing a lot of the parts, but I don't want to bore you to death, but I just want you to get the gist and the details of what we're doing. Right guys, I hope to see you on the next video. Thank you.